Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making this creamy jerk chicken Rasta pasta. It was really easy to make and super delicious. Let's get into the video. To start off, we'll be seasoning our chicken. I am using chicken thighs, and the exact measurements of all the seasonings I use will be down in the description box. Now you're going to give it a really good mix. Make sure all the jerk seasoning is fully incorporated. You can use chicken breast, but I prefer the thighs because it's more juicier. And the jerk paste I'm using is the mild one. They do have spicy, but I'm making this for my family. Now I'm going to get a saucepan and add a couple of tablespoons of oil. To cook the chicken, I'm facing the flatter side down first so I can get a good crust on it. But I did cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. While this is cooking, I'm also boiling my pasta. After about 5 minutes, I flipped the chicken and then I covered it and cooked it for 5 more minutes because I want this to be fully cooked. I don't want no raw chicken. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I do try to post every Friday if I can. Thank you guys for all the love on my videos. I really appreciate it. Your chicken should look something like this, and once it's done, you want to take it out of your pan. I did sneak a couple bites of the chicken while taking them out, and let me tell y'all, they turned out so good. You could eat this chicken with anything. In the same pan, I added in about a tablespoon of oil and added my onions and bell peppers and garlic. Now you just want to saute this for about only 2 minutes because we still want a good crunch on this. We don't want it to be too soft or anything because we still have a whole lot of stuff to add in. I did only add half of my bell peppers at first because I wasn't sure if it would be too much or too little, but I added in the rest and it was perfectly enough. I will be leaving the ingredient down below in the description box of everything I added in. Once you cook that down for a couple minutes, you want to add in the heavy cream. I'm using 4 cups. I'm making a lot. I'm African. We are heavy-handed. And then I added about half a tablespoon of the jerk marinade, and then just give it a good mix. Next, you want to season your sauce. Yes, we are also seasoning the sauce. This turned out super flavorful, so good. Honestly, I'll be making this again this week. It was so good. Once the sauce starts boiling, I'm adding in my chicken. I did chop the chicken into smaller pieces. It was so juicy, but now you just want to give it a good mix. Make sure all the chicken is incorporated into the sauce, and the sauce gets the flavor from the chicken and all that good stuff. Now is when you taste your sauce and see it even needs more seasoning. I added in soul food seasoning. Once the sauce thickens up, we are adding in our pasta. I'm using penne pasta. Now you want to give this a really good mix. I added in my pasta a little bit at a time because I didn't want to put too much and then get really dry pasta. But it's already coming together. It's looking great. I already tasted it. As you can see, it does look a little watery, but don't worry, we're going to let it simmer, and we're also going to add the cheese. Now I'm adding in mozzarella cheese. You can add in the cheese you want, but I think mozzarella is the good choice. But now, this is the final step. You just have to give this one final good mix. You can see this turned out so creamy, so good and cheesy. Honestly, this is a great recipe. I really hope you guys give this a try. If you guys made it this far into the video, leave me a purple heart. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See y'all in the next video.